Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.2. Before entering the exercise 2.2, we need to know some basic operations on sets. So here let us see the basic operations on sets. Before entering the concept of basic operations on sets, I would like to tell you a small story. Okay, by using that story, you will be able to know and you will be able to remember very well these operations. Right? Let us see. There are two friends. First one is Abhi. Second one is Bharat. They both study the same class like you. Let us assume that they are in class 10. So at the lunch break, they have opened their lunch packs. Now here Abhi found chips, rice, rasam, curd, and then dal. These are the items brought by Abhi. And same way Bharat, he too opened his lunch pack. He found pickle, chapati, rice, curry, then curd. Fine. They both of them, they find these are the items, they are there in their lunch packs. As they both friends, they want to share their things. Okay, they want to share. So here let us see. First we observe which items they need not to share. You imagine that they both of them, they brought the sufficient quantity for them. Right? So here you just observe, both of them they have rice is brought by Abhi, rice is brought by Bharat. They do not want to share it because they have the sufficient quantity and they have that item as common. And same way here you see rasam, then curd, here also curd. They do not want to share curd also because both of them they have sufficient, right? They need not to offer for other, and even others also they need not to accept. Now the remaining things you see children here. For example, Abhi and Bharat, as I told you, they are friends, means they show unity. Let us take U as unity. Right? Then, if they show unity, means if they become friends after sharing the items, what items each one will have. For example, after completion of the lunch, if suppose Abhi checks himself that what items have been taken by me during the lunch, then what answer he gives? You see here he might have taken chips, right? And here rice, rasam, curd, dal. Along with these items, he shares the items from Bharat also. What are those items? Pickle, chapati. Here you see children rice. Already he has rice. So he did not share the rice. Right? So let us leave the rice. Already he had. And here curry. And what about curd? Curd already it is there in the list. Now after completion of the lunch, either Abhi or Bharat, do understand, listen carefully children, either Abhi or Bharat, both of them, if they ask themselves that what they have eaten today, then both of them do the same, do they say the same list or not? Try to understand. So here after completion of the lunch, both of them, if they check themselves what items have been taken by me today, so here both of them will be saying the same list. So here you can say either Abhi means A or Bharat means here A, they show unity, that's a union I'm saying. I will tell you why I said the word, why I use the word or. So here A union B means, here in general we write children, that is they have taken suppose the items, X items, right, such that, what is the condition here you see, those X items belongs to Abhi means A, or those X items belongs to Bharat also. Clear? So here this is what one basic operation on sets. So here you remember children, this is called A union B. A union B can be written as the elements of X. What are those? It means the elements X. So those elements are from, they are from A or B. So here you can take these elements means these items, they belong to Abhi or belong to Bharat. So both the items are shared, right? And one more thing, let us see here which items do not get shared. Let us write that also. Here you see, here Abhi, Bharat. Here you do understand which items do not means which items do not get shared. See here, rice and then curd. The reason I have told you earlier, because these two items are in common. You remember the word children, common. Common means what? Here you see, common means Abhi and Bharat both together have the item, and here you just remember the word and, you catch it. Here I said or. So here it is and. And can be written as, see this symbol, this is called intersection. How to remember this one, sir? That also I will tell you. First let us close this one. So here you see A intersection B can be written as, see here the elements X, such that, what is the rule here you see, X belongs to A means those items belongs to Abhi, and also means and those items means X belongs to Bharat too. This is the second basic operation on sets. This is the second basic operation. Now earlier I have told you, I will tell you that how to remember these. Now you see children, here very easy. If they show unity means they will be ready to share their things. So when, see here, when they show unity, then what happens, here they get more things. Actually here you see the things, number of things brought by Abhi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way number of things brought by Bharat also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when they show unity, you see number of items what enjoyed by them is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means remember children, when you show unity, U for union, do you remember that as unity? When you show unity, you can take your items or your friend items, no problem. Because here unity refers friendship. You remember like that, okay? U for here unity, remember union. A union B means X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. You can use either of these things. And here intersection. Intersection is very easy children. This is common. You remember common. Common. You see here in M, see the shape, this is one intersection, again this one more intersection, here M, like that here also in N, this intersection, right? Here in common items means their intersection. So here you see A intersection B, that is X such that X belongs to A and. How do we remember sir this and? Very easy, here you see, you remember A and D and. In this N, you just cut this line, it looks like intersection itself. So here A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Here X is common element, common. So here I told you to remember the intersection. So just now we have seen two basic operations. Those are A union B and also A intersection B. Fine. So we learnt in basic operations two major important operations we learnt. Those are here A union B can be written as x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. This is our first one we learnt. And second one, A intersection B can be written as x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Right? Now let us see two more basic operations other than these. Right? Now for this, you do remember children, these basic operations remember. Now here let us come back to our concept now. We are going to learn two more basic operations. For this, again we need to take another example. Right? So here let us see. In a school, there is a boy called A. His name himself is A. He is very humble person, very honest person, means very honest boy we can say. He has a habit that without sharing he doesn't want to eat his food or whatever he brings to school. So he likes to share others. Of course that is okay, good nature. So one day he opened his lunch bag and he found suppose some items. Okay, he has some 3 items. Okay, so let us take it as 1, 2, 3. A brought these items as his lunch bag. That day what happened, his friend B, he became absent, means he did not attend the school that day. In fact, A doesn't want to eat alone. As I told you, he has a nature of sharing. So that day he just tried to find somebody else to share his lunch bag. So there is another boy whose name is Phi. You read this as Phi, children. He came to school, but by mistake he did not bring the lunch pack that day. Means he attended the school, whatever reason it may be. So here he came to school without bringing lunch. Then what happened? Already A is there, so A has that kind of nature of sharing. So immediately A invited Phi to share his lunch. Right? Now both of them, they become friends. So A and Phi, as their friends, they show unity. Right? So here the thing is that they can share their items, but the thing is that Phi does not have any item. So definitely what happens? A shares first item and A only shares second item. Same way A only shares third item, because Phi, he did not have anything. Right? Here you observe, children, 1, 2, 3, this set is again nothing but A. This set is again nothing but A. Here you need to understand, see, when A shares his food with Phi, means a person who is not having food for that day, then definitely what happens here? More happiness comes to A. He gets, more satisfaction. So yes, I have my lunch, okay, with somebody else. So I shared my lunch as it is his own nature, so he felt more happy. Right? So A union Phi is equal to A, or it can be written as Phi union A also can be A itself. So this is another basic operation you need to remember in sets. Right? And okay, up to here fine. That day A invited Phi and both of them, they shared their lunch. Okay, that day over. But what happened, that day in the school, the other children, they, it is common in schools. Okay, we cannot find it fault. Okay, we cannot say that is right or wrong. But the thing is that at that age, okay, the students behave like that. They started miscommunicate the thing in the school. They spreaded the thing as that, okay, A has provided food for Phi. That means they just started mocking Phi. Okay, they said that you did not bring your lunch. Okay, you always eats others lunch, you always depends on others. Yesterday A has provided you food. So what happened, it has become, it's a kind of insult for 5. Actually 5, basically he himself, he did not bring the lunch, but as you know, he did not go and ask A. Fine, A only offered the food to 5. So 5 felt, some uneasy. It's a kind of insult for him. So he thought that no, okay, if I am invited to have the lunch with A, I should not go today, because already he gets hurted because of the behavior of other children. That is not known to A. Actually here, as I told you, A is really a humble student. He is honest person. So here he did not know all the things. Okay, on the next day again he brought the same pack. Again 5 means, actually my intention is 5 is a boy, okay, without bringing lunch he comes to school. Not that is the condition, children. Actually 5 means eats an empty set, means empty set will not have any elements, right? Actually I would like to tell you a small introduction about 5. 5 has 3 names, children. There are no elements in 5, that is called empty set. Also it can be called void set, and also it is a null set. Okay, just for example I am saying that 5 did not bring lunch pack. You don't imagine that, okay, there is a boy, he always eats others food. That is not the thing. It is just, this example is easy to make you to understand the concept easier. Okay, that's all my intention. So here 5 as usual, okay, he again the next day also he came to school. Then today what happened, again as usual A invited 5 to have the lunch like the before day, but already 5 got hurted. So what happened, 5 does not want to show unity. Now the union symbol changes, children. 5 does not want to show unity, then he denied the offer. So here it has become upside down. See, if you achieve anything you will say like this, if you do not achieve, if you don't wish, you will say like this. Same way here also, here if he wants to show unity, he has shown, okay, you. Now he doesn't want to show unity today, that's why he make upside down. So now what happens here, then he denied. Then A opened his lunch pack. Then as you know already, he doesn't want to have his food own, means he cannot eat alone. That's why, okay, he felt that why this 5 denied me today. So he started thinking over that. He doesn't want to have any food. Again he closed the pack as it is without eating. So he started thinking over 5, okay, why 5 denied the lunch today. So by thinking of that, he gets disturbed. So by the time he doesn't want to have his lunch without sharing, that's why he opened the pack. Again he closed it back without eating anything. Then already the bell is given, the next session already it is started. So here what happened, 5 started observing the behavior of A. Really is A really spreading the math, these kind of rumors or what? So he started observing A. Then he found that A2 did not have the lunch that day. So 5 realized that here A made his stomach empty. I told you already, empty set is 5. So here 5 got realized his mistake. That means here 5 unnecessarily or unknowingly he misunderstood A. So then onwards what happened, 5 felt very happy that he got a friend, true friend, okay, like A. So here you see A intersection 5 is 5, even though you can say this as 5 intersection A2. So this is another basic operation on sets. Just let me conclude these two children here. See, when A and 5 they both show unity, definitely A will be more happy, because it is his nature of sharing. So here A union 5 equal to A or 5 union A equal to A. And what happens here, if they do not show unity, that means if it is an intersection, A intersection 5 is equal to, here they both of them they made their stomachs empty, and that too which gives happiness to 5. In what sense? This is not the sense that he did not have the food. Here 5 gets more happiness. Why? Because he got a friend like A. So here A intersection 5 is equal to 5. Here you see happiness is getting by A. Here happiness is getting by 5. So A intersection 5 equal to 5. Also it can be written as 5 intersection A also. So these two are two more basic operations. So let us add these two in this list. So here I am saying, children, A union phi or phi union A gives us A. Same way, A intersection phi or phi intersection A gives us phi. These two are two more formula we can say, basic operations also we can say. So far we have learnt these, and now we are going to apply this knowledge for solving the coming exercise, that is exercise 2.2, right? Now we see exercise 2.2 in this first question. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. We need to find the value of A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? Let us solve now. Let us write our given sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now we need to find first A intersection B. Let us find A intersection B. As I have told you, children, A intersection B is X such that X belongs to A, it is intersection. So and X belongs to B. So based on this, let us write A intersection B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. As I told you, intersection is common elements. Let us see here 1, 2, 3. See here 1, 2, 3. These three elements are in common. So let us write those three elements only. 1, 2, 3. Here you see 4 belongs to A, but 4 does not belong to B. Same way 5 and 6 belong to B, but they do not belong to A. So these elements are not in common. Which elements? 4, 5 and 6. Only 1, 2, 3 are, they are then common in A and B. That's why here A intersection B is 1, 2, 3. Let us find now B intersection A. Let us write B, set B first, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This is B intersection A. A is what here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take the common elements. Here you see 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Right? So here you observe A intersection B and B intersection A. Observe these answers, children. A intersection B is 1, 2, 3. B intersection A also 1, 2, 3. Here you see we found A intersection B, we found B intersection A. Now let us go to this question. Are they equal? You tell me here. Are they equal? Here A intersection B is 1, 2, 3. B intersection A also 1, 2, 3. Yes. They are equal. They are equal means A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. This is the last step of this problem. Now let us see next question, that is second question. If A equal to 0 to 4, find A intersection phi and A intersection A. Comment. So let us start this problem. First we need to find A intersection phi. The given value A equal to 0, 2, then 4. Already you know, children, phi means nothing, an empty set. Here some children they think that Here 5 means it has nothing. So can we take 0? That means they will think like this. Can we write 5 is equal to 0? We should not write like this, children, because 0 itself can be counted in this chapter sets as one of the elements. So 0 is an element. If you write like this, means here 5 has one element, that is 0. Then 5 cannot be empty set. So here you should not write like this. Then how to write? Either you write here blank brackets, or you can write 5 as it is. These two indicate 5 means empty set, but never you write this 0. This you keep in mind, children. You don't think that 5 equal to here singleton 0. Again you come back. So 5 has no elements. Now first bit, that is A intersection 5. Let us write here A means 0 to 4, intersection 5 means nothing. As I have told you earlier, intersection means common elements. Here 0 is there in A, 0 is not there in 5, so 0 can't be common element. Same way 2 also can't be common, 4 also can't be common. Then what is common? Nothing is common, right? So here this is nothing, right? This is first bit. Second one is A intersection A. This is the value of, children, A intersection 5. Now second one is A intersection A. A intersection A. A means here 0 to 4, intersection A itself means again 0 to 4, right? Let us take the common values as it is intersection. 0 and 0 is common, 2 and 2 is common, 4 is common. So here you got A intersection A is equal to 0 to 4. Now the thing is that here comment. Let us see here what is this comment. What is the comment here? When you find A intersection 5, here you got nothing. This nothing, it is called null set, can be written as 5. Are you following me, children? Here this is a null set, empty set. It can be represented by 5. So here the first comment is A intersection 5 is always 5. A intersection 5 is always 5. Same way let us see second bit now. When you find A intersection A, again you got 0 to 4. This 0 to 4 is nothing but A, right? So here this comment is A intersection A. If you do, again you get A. That's all, children. With this second problem gets completed.